And today the Supreme Court made a big ruling allowing doctors in Idaho to perform emergency abortions. It comes 2 years after they overturned Roe v. Wade, as we mentioned, returning the issue of abortion access back to the states. But that legal battle isn't over yet. Theodora Coulivaris breaks that down.
The U.S. Supreme Court ruled that Idaho can perform abortions in certain medical emergencies for now. The court's decision put back in place an order from a lower court that decided Idaho's near-total abortion ban can't be enforced if the health of the mother is at risk.
I am happy for the decision. I'm carefully optimistic.
The case involves a federal law called the Emergency Medical Treatment and Active Labor Act, or EMTALA. It requires an ER to stabilize a patient who shows up needing medical care. Under Idaho's law, patients can only get abortion care if their life, not their health, is at risk. The Biden administration took Idaho to court, arguing the state violated the law. The case will continue to make its way through the court system, and the Chicago Abortion Fund, which has a helpline connecting patients with hospital-based abortion care, says a future ruling could have a negative impact.
Independent funds like us are going to need to step up and be able to provide even more support than we already do. Since the Dobbs decision, the Chicago Abortion Fund has spent over $7 million in appointment costs and all of the wraparound costs I mentioned associated with accessing care. That is not sustainable.
In response to the case, Illinois lawmakers passed a bill to keep EMTALA protections in place at the state level, regardless of what the Supreme Court rules. It's waiting for the governor's signature.
It would allow us to keep the status quo as is right now.
Meanwhile, anti-abortion groups say they want to see more clarification on the issue.
We're concerned about the Biden administration trying to make abortion a quote-unquote stabilizing treatment for non-life-threatening situations that OBGYNs routinely have protocols to help that woman through the pregnancy.
Reporting in Springfield, I'm Theodora Coulivaris.
Governor Pritzker issued a statement following the ruling through Think Big America. He said, quote, "Today's ruling offers a small respite from some of the harshest outcomes, but it is not the broad protection that women and healthcare professionals are owed." In states across the country, because of Trump's Supreme Court, women will still be denied reproductive care they need and deserve.